Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
A
morning, ma'am.
very good morning to all of you. We will wait 1 minute
Good
more
morning.
and good morning. We will wait 1 minute more and then we will start our class.
Ma'am, textbook work.
Keep both the things with you, textbook and notebook both. Keep textbook and notebook both with you, pencil and pen also both with you. When you write in the textbook, you keep pencil. When you write in the notebook, you keep pen with you. Okay, we will start now. So first, you all know that we have done yesterday one activity based on forming numbers,
Yes, ma'am.
forming greatest and smallest number.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now, we do one more thing today related with the number, the given number of, once you speak, you mute your mic after that. Thank you, Yug. So if I have some digits, 5, 6, 8, 4, 3, these many, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Now, Laisha will tell me. Laisha, from these 5 digits,
Yes.
now we are not learning the smallest number. Please stop writing in the chat box. Laisha, now we are not learning the forming smallest or greatest number. Now we are learning how many numbers can you frame out of these numbers? Can you frame one number? इनको अरेंज करके इनको उल्टा सीधा आगे पीछे करके एक नंबर बनाओ. कोई भी
Okay.
नंबर अपनी मर्जी से.
8.
जैसे ये वंस टेंस 100,000 ले लें हम और 10,000 बिकॉज देर आर 1 2 3 4 5 डिजिट्स. वंस टेंस
Yes.
100,000 और 10,000.
Means you have to put different numbers in that values.
यस. अगर हमने 5 यहाँ पर हमें 5 है 6 है 8 है 4 है 3 है, हमने इनकी प्लेसेस चेंज कर ली.
Okay.
कहीं भी रख के
3
3.
on 10,000.
ओके.
8. Then comma.
नो. हाँ कॉमा. देन यू विल पुट कॉमा एट द लास्ट.
Then 5.
5.
Then 4.
Then 4.
Then the last one 6.
Okay. So all are covered. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. All are covered. Okay. One number made by Laisha. Next number made by Ahana. Ahana, can you?
I can say.
I will call your name.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you arrange them in the different way and make one number out of the given numbers. कोई भी number पहले रख दो. Arrange them in any 4,
3,
3,
8,
8,
5,
5,
6.
6. So you children got it. She arranged in this way. यहाँ पर जो 3 की position थी 10,000 पे थी. Then she changed Ahana. उसने 1,000 पे 3 रख दिया. 8 यहाँ 1,000 पे था, इसने 100 पे रख दिया. Here इसका 500 पे है. Here also she make on tens. 4 is on tens, so 4 here is on 10,000. Right. 6 here is on ones. Here is also on ones. This way. Yes.
I was saying that you have not put in TTH.
Okay. Okay. Now wait a minute. Let me take the attendance. Yes. So main thing is from the given digits we can make any number. Yesterday we have learned how to make the smallest number and the greatest number. There were some rules which we have also learned. In this there is no rule. She made in this way, she made in this way, and these are now different numbers. This is 38,546. We can make it as 43,856. So जब हमारे पास digits हैं कुछ, उसको हम उनकी प्लेसेस चेंज करके अलग अलग नंबर्स बना सकते हैं. प्रयाग, कैन यू ट्राई टू मेक वन एनी नंबर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
5, 8, 4, 6, 3.
Got it? आपने एक नंबर बना लिया. Yes, वारण्या. बस last. This is last.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, tell me, Varanya.
Excuse me,
Don't-
ma'am. I raised the hand.
Both have raised the hand, right? Varanya also, Varija also. So let me ask with Varanya only. Yes, Varanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
6, 6, 8, 4, 7, 3.
Got it? With the given digits, we have
Ma'am,
made
but
a different
7
number.
is not there in digit.
Ma'am, but
7.
it is not
Seven
there.
is not there.
Answer.
Varanya, 7 is not there. 5. Okay. We will get.
Answer.
You will get chances another activity. Okay, Arna, got it? Okay, so now you understood with a given number of digits we can make many numbers. Got it? Now we were doing the Roman numbers. Roman numbers. We have started in our last class little bit, but today we will do in detail what are Roman numbers. The basic Roman numbers are these 7 Roman numbers. Okay, who will tell me which are the basic 7 Roman numbers? 1, I, 5, V. I'm telling now. Okay. Next is who is telling? Can I
Ma'am, can I?
tell your name?
Yug.
Yug. Yug. You. Yes. Which is the next number?
Ma'am, it will be 10.
10. 10 का क्या है Roman number?
X.
X. Next is 50. L. 100. C. And 500. D. And 1000. M. ये बेसिक 7 रोमन नंबर्स हैं. इन्हीं से ही पूरे और कितने भी रोमन नंबर आप बना लो बन जाएंगे. सो दीज आर द 7 बेसिक रोमन नंबर्स व्हिच यू शुड नो. नाउ ओपन योर नोटबुक, open new page, write the heading Roman numerals.
Ma'am, Ahana.
Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, we have to write heading with.
No, in math I have already instructed only one blue pen will be used.
Ma'am, we have to write index.
No need to write the index.
Okay, ma'am.
I will
Ma'am,
send you.
can I write Roman numbers?
Yes, you write the heading in your new page.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. I can write the heading with the black pen.
No. Always use one pen in mathematics. Roman numerals. These are the 7 basic Roman numbers. 1 for 1 I, for 5 V, for 10 is X, for
Ma'am, so we have to write this 500,000.
yes. I am going to present my screen and will show you so that you can easily see to it. Is my screen visible to you all?
These
Yes,
days,
ma'am.
there is a lot to balance.
Just a minute. Mute yourself. I don't know why you children get open your mic.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I have sent you that matchsticks
Yes, I
Roman
got.
numbers. Okay, ma'am.
These are the basic 7 Roman numerals. My present screen is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
You can copy it down fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write down again because yesterday I wrote down.
Then don't write.
Okay.
Write fast. 1 more minute I'll give you to write. Then I will start.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Like in the 5, 1, 5 and 10, we have done the lines up and down in 50, 100, 500 and 1000 also we have to do. Like these lines up and down.
Ma'am, I've written like.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Written.
Sorry children, due to network I log. Sorry children, due to network I log out. Now it's visible to you all. You first mute yourself please for a minute.
Ma'am, I want to ask you something.
Yeah, for a minute.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
My screen was visible to you all before. Is it visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, you now ask.
Ma'am, in 1, 5 and 10 we are doing these lines up and down. We have to do in 50, 100, 500 and 1000 also.
No. It's
Okay,
up to
ma'am.
you, but don't do. Okay. Now I'm showing.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, I'll play this video. Listen it carefully. I'm going to mute myself. Listen this carefully.
Ma'am, see.
Yes. Good. Now I'm going to mute myself and
For 1, we write I. For 5, we write V. For 10 equals X. 50 equals L. 100 equals C. 500 equals D. And for 1000, we use symbol M. Next, let's learn some basic rules for writing and reading Roman numerals. First rule is only symbols I, X, C, M can be repeated. Next, a letter or symbol can be repeated only for 3 times. Third rule is V, L and D are never repeated. Now let's learn how to write Roman numerals for numbers 1 to 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ma'am,
yes. Yes, Laisha, you were asking something.
I was asking that which are talking about this 1, 2 and this one. You have not sent it. So you can send it to me because I have not finished.
I will teach. I'm teaching today, no? So I will send the video today. I will stop presenting now. Now look here how we will make the Roman numbers. As you already learned one rule that any Roman numbers will not be repeated more than 3 times. Got it? अगर हमें 1 लिखना है, don't write anything. Just look here and then you write after the class in your notebooks. 1 का I, 2 का 2I, 3 का 3 times I, but 4 का 4 times I नहीं होगा. We cannot repeat any Roman number more than 3 times. More than 3 times means 3 times से ज्यादा नहीं. ये 1 2 3 times हो गया. अब इससे ज्यादा ये Roman number repeat नहीं हो सकता. Arav, you yes, tell me Arnav.
Ma'am, can I say Hana?
Yes, 4 के लिए what will be the Roman number for 4 Arnav?
1V.
Yes, IV, not 1V. 5 के लिए who will tell me what is the Roman number Vananya for 5?
Can I did?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
you
only V.
Only V.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, your screen is
Ma'am, can I-
blur.
Okay, wait a minute.
no,
Now
it is
check.
blur. It is
Now
clear.
check.
It is clear. Ma'am, now can I say Mir?
I will call child name. If you say can I say, no, your chance will not come. Sorry then. Deep Patel. Deep Patel, what is the Roman number for 6?
VI.
हाँ, plus कर रहे हैं हम 5 के अंदर 1 because 6 is the plus 1. 6 is the successor of 5. So 5 1 V1 VI sorry 7. Next will be tell by Dirg. Dirg, tell me how you will write 7.
VII.
Next is Varija. Varija, how you will write 8?
Yes, ma'am.
वारिजा माइक ऑन करने के बाद यस मैम बोलते हैं. हमारे पहले लिसन यू लिसन द क्वेश्चन एंड देन टर्न ऑन योर माइक बिकॉज योर वॉइस इको. टेल मी द रोमन नंबर ऑफ 8. We 3 lines 5 6 7 8. Got it Varija? 9 will be tell by Navya. Navya, how you will write 9?
XI.
नो एक्स आई एक्स के राइट साइड में अगर आई आएगा तो वो 11 हो जाएगा. मींस उसमें +1 माइनस करना है एक्स से तो आई एक्स.
No, I can show you.
गॉट इट नव्या?
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ लाइशा भक्ति विल टेल मी. भक्ति 10 का क्या है रोमन नंबर? व्हाट इज द रोमन नंबर फॉर 10? You mute. Next child is Meet Prohit. What is the Roman number for 10?
X. Ma'am, X.
X. And what is the Roman number for? See, अब 11. What is the Roman number for 11? Arnav Patel, only I'll give you only the chance and keep other student aside. Next will be tell by Mir Virani. Mir Virani, what is the Roman number of 11? Your voice is-
Ma'am, X 10 I.
Yes. Now Hit Patel, what is the Roman number for 12? Hit Kasodia.
Yes.
12 का रोमन नंबर. ऋषिक बजाज 13 का रेडी रखो. XII. ऋषिक बजाज रोमन नंबर for 13.
X 3I.
Kavisha roman number for 14. टेन प्लस 4 ही 14 होता है. जब आपको 10 का रोमन नंबर पता है, 4 का रोमन पता है, दोनों को मिक्स करके लिखो.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me then.
IV.
Yes, this way you will make the Roman numbers. 15 का Roman number, so 10 plus 5. Hanshil, what is the Roman number for 15?
Yes, ma'am. X.
Ma'am,
Double V.
डबल V क्यों? दो टाइम थोड़ी V आएगा. एक ही बार 5 है ना. 10 plus 5 makes the 15. So 10 का Roman number is 5. Oh, sorry, X. And 5 का Roman number is V. So it is XV. Got it?
Yes.
Same way you will make the Roman numbers till 100 in your notebooks today. I will give you the basic Roman numbers now 20 का Roman numbers. Who will tell me what is the Roman number of 20? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Laisha, tell me. 20 Roman number of 20.
Ma'am, Ahana, can I say?
No, I am asking from Laisha, then I'll come to the other child.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Laisha, you know the Roman number of 10. And
Yes.
10 plus 10 makes the 20. So
Yes.
x plus x makes the 2 times x.
Oh.
Okay. So 2x will be the Roman number of 20.
Okay.
खुश, what is the Roman? Same way now, if you go to the 21, तो आपको 20 का लिखना है, 1 का लिख देना है. If you go to 22, 20 का Roman number आपको पता है 2x, 2 का Roman number लिख लेना है. This way you keep on continuing the Roman numbers. Now comes to the Roman number of 30 will be told by Khush.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the Roman number of 30? 3 times x. Yes, Hana. One
Yes,
child
ma'am.
was telling. You tell me the Roman number of 40. See, children, of 30
4
के बाद
times.
40. Wait. Ahana told 4 times x. I already told one rule that any Roman number will not be repeat more than 3 times. So 40 का Roman number 4 times x नहीं होगा. आपको 50 का Roman पता है?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the Roman number of 50?
L. L.
L. L के लेफ्ट साइड में अगर आप x लिख दोगे, x का रोमन नंबर मींस 10, राइट? 10 है जो किसका रोमन नंबर है? x किसका रोमन नंबर है? 10 का. सो लेफ्ट साइड में जब L के आप x लिखोगे मींस आपने 50 में से 10 माइनस किए हैं, तो 40 आया. गॉट इट? 50 माइनस 10 इस तरीके से लिखते हैं. L के पीछे बैक साइड लेफ्ट साइड में जब आप x लिखोगे तो 40 बनेगा.
Ma'am, तो Excel answer है 40 का.
Yes. Then 50 का you know L 60 है तो L के साथ x right side में x. This is 60 means you are adding 50 के अंदर 10 प्लस किए हैं आपने. राइट साइड में कोई भी रोमन नंबर ऐड होता है तो वो एडिशन होता है. लेफ्ट साइड में कोई भी रोमन नंबर लिखते हैं तो वो सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in Roman number we write 1, 2, 3, and Roman number with adding only, no? I mean,
मैंने अभी बताया कि 3 में 1 लाइन हो गई, ठीक है? तो 4 में क्या होगा? 3 you told 1 I, right? 3 times I. 4 में थोड़ी एडिंग करते जाओगे. मैंने ये रूल पढ़ाया ना आपको आना. Yes. Roman number of 90 is, you all know the Roman, you know, yes, Priyak, tell me Roman number of 90.
see, left side 10,
C के लेफ्ट साइड में x. क्यों? क्योंकि C is for 100. 100 में से 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 90. और 100 का रोमन नंबर you all know C. Got it? As I told you, one rule मैंने ये बताया कि कोई भी रोमन नंबर 3 टाइम्स से ज्यादा रिपीट नहीं होगा. दूसरा रूल मैंने ये बताया, जब लेफ्ट साइड में रोमन नंबर ऐड होता है तो सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है. जब राइट साइड में रोमन नंबर आप लिखते हो कोई तो वो एडिशन है. Got it? So you will write today 1 to 100 Roman numbers in your notebook. I will give you in the assignment in the classroom. Yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Write 1 to 100 in our notebook.
I will give everything in detail in the classroom. Just now I just did the announcement. Okay. Now children, take out your textbook. Take out your textbook, page number 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, you.
Ma'am, what is the Roman number of 80?
80. You know the Roman number of 50?
Yes.
Roman number of 10. 3 times 10 will be added. It is 80. 50,
Okay, ma'am.
60, 70, 80. Got it? Open page number 1. Building with bricks. my screen is visible. Yes.
Ma'am, what will be the Roman number of 8?
8. You know the Roman number of 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Then now you will add the 3 lines, no?
Okay.
5, then 6 is 1. So you know the Roman number of 6. 1 standing line you will add. For 7, 2 standing line means 2i. And for 3, this is the Roman number of 8. Got it? This 5, this makes 6, this makes 7, this makes 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself now. Now no one will speak in between.
Welcome children to your new session.
See children, in this video, we will learn about what all the topics we are going to cover in this chapter. Chapter number 1, building with bricks. As you all know that we have already started this chapter with the number system. Number system हम काफी कुछ पढ़ चुके हैं. Now we will learn about more about the bricks and about the patterns. To know about 3D, 2D shapes also we will learn in this chapter. We will learn about how to recognize the bricks. What are the faces of the bricks? What are the different patterns in the bricks like जाली, जरोखा क्या होता है? आपने early days में सुना होगा कि पहले जो मकान बनते थे उसमें जालियां बनाते थे. जाली means ventilations. वो कैसे बनती थी ब्रिक्स से? जरोखा मींस वो भी एक वेंटिलेशन होता है और छोटे बड़े के साइज का डिफरेंस होता है. देन ऑब्जर्व एंड मेक द डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स ऑन द फ्लोर. ब्रिक्स जो है वो कितने टाइप्स की होती हैं, ब्रिक्स किस शेप में होती हैं, ये सब हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. See, these are the buildings. Here are the pictures of few buildings. Observe and try to identify the material used in them. See, these are the olden days buildings. In this some material is used, and there are some other buildings also जो खाली brick से ही बनती हैं. पर इनमें तो mix हो सकता है किसी किसी building जो पूरी buildings है वो सिर्फ brick से ही बनी हुई हो, right? And कुछ कुछ buildings है जिसमें हमने और भी material use किया हो. Sandstone, sand, rock, limestone, granite, marble. These are the materials which is used for making the buildings. Page number 1, which is building with bricks. Jagrati School. This story is about the Jagrati School wanted to make a brick pattern on the floor and walls. Jagrati School जो है वो अपने walls पे और अपने floor पे कुछ bricks के pattern बनाना चाहते थे. So they called Jamal, Kalu and PR. They were the masons. Masons, you know कौन होते हैं? जो bricks का जो काम करते हैं उनको masons कहते हैं. To get some view ideas from the school building, they visited the old tomb of Murshid Ali Khan. This building has a big floor with 2000 brick patterns and was made 3000 years ago. अब देख सकते हैं अपनी बुक में when you turn the page on the first page पे ही लिखा कुछ patterns है वो brick से बने हुए हैं. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Pat.
on the next page there are some patterns given on the in your textbook. Page number 2. Which floor pattern do you like? आप देख सकते हैं कि बहुत सारे patterns given हैं. 3 to 5 patterns. 3 patterns आपके first page पे and 3 more patterns आपके second page पे. Around 5 to 6 patterns आपको दिए हुए हैं. So which floor pattern do you like the most? वो आपकी choice है. Which you like, my dear children? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, Ahana. I can say.
Ahana, tell me which you like.
Ma'am, the cross one in the middle on second page.
Okay, second page, middle one, the cross one. That is the number 4 one. Yes, this one?
Ma'am, I can tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
My dear, it's different choices. You can like any of the pattern. Okay, now I can go to the next now.
Say.
Whichever you like, you write in your textbook or you write in the chat box. Okay?
I like the fifth one.
Okay. Write in the chat box and write in your textbook also. Have you seen such pattern anywhere? Yes, I have seen. If I talk about, I have seen in the olden days when I go to my old places that I have seen there where the bricks have been used in my hometown. Okay. And if you have seen, you can write yes or no, and you can write where you have seen. Go to the next page, page number 3. There are some many more bricks floor patterns are given, and they are arranged in different patterns. Patterns आप शुरू से grade 3 में भी आपने patterns पढ़ा होगा, how to arrange this in the patterns. So ये brick patterns हैं. Wait, I'll show you. Yeah, these are the pictures given on your page number 3. Now, the question number first is, which pattern is made in the circle? Which pattern is made in the circle? If you go from A to K, सारे patterns देखोगे. So, कौन सा pattern? Yes, J pattern. So, you write J pattern is in circle shape. In which pattern can you show mirror halves? Now,
Hana.
yes, Ahana, tell me. Which
Ma'am,
answer you are giving?
Query.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, the first question, which pattern is made in a circle? Question mark. Then we can write only J.
Yeah, pattern J.
Okay, ma'am.
So pattern J is in the circle shape. Next is we are talking about the mirror half. In which pattern can you see about the mirror half? Now you will tell me what is mirror half. Mirror half means image, कोई भी image, कोई भी picture which exactly overlap on each other. For example, wait a minute. I will show you some pictures also here. जैसे हार्ट शेप होता है या स्क्वायर शेप है, उसको बीच में से काटेंगे, राइट? बीच में से व्हेन वी कट, लाइक हमारे पास रेक्टेंगल है, अगर इसको हम फोल्ड कर देते हैं, ये एक दूसरे के ऊपर ओवरलैप. Yes, you have learned in the grade 3 also about the what is mirror half. Yes, Rishik, tell me.
Ma'am, I1.
Which one? I1.
I.
Yeah, let me explain first what is mirror half. So image, कोई भी picture, कोई भी pattern which exactly overlap on each other when folded or look like same when folded. जब अगर half किसी का भी part और अगर आप उसको mirror में देखें या fold करें तो वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर. Please mute yourself.
देखो मिरर इमेज नहीं समझाइए.
I will continue. No problem. I will continue with the mirror image. What is the mirror image? Wait, I will play the video and then you will listen it properly.
Has different other patterns within it. So if you observe carefully, pattern J is made exactly in a
Ma'am, it is echoing.
Now next, draw a dotted line to show the pattern that forms a mirror half. What is a mirror half? Images which exactly overlap over each other when folded or looks like the same on both the halves. Okay, so that is known as a mirror half. So here if you observe, the pattern H shows or has a mirror half, and there's a dotted line drawn there which shows the exact other half of the image. And for the activity, you are going to draw and color 3 different flow patterns in your notebook. Next, let's have a look at few more examples of mirror images. You can see the pictures have been divided using a dotted line into 2 equal halves. So when you fold it, they'll exactly overlap each other. Now,
children, you got it? What is mirror half? Okay. So now I'm going to show you one video based on the 2D shapes and 3D shapes.
Ma'am, I can say one mirror half.
Yes, please tell.
Ma'am, the arrow.
Arrow, yes, when you divide it from the middle.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can use sun.
You can use what?
Ma'am, sun also can be divided.
It's circle shape, you can say. Yes. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, write 1 to 100 Roman numbers.
Yes. And I will give you on 2D shapes and 3D shapes.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
You have learned about plane and solid shapes in class 2. Let us now revise and consolidate our knowledge.
Ma'am, it is echoing.
Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So it is also known as two-dimensional or a 2D shape. Square. A square has four sides. All the sides of a square are equal. A square has four vertices. Rectangle. A rectangle has four sides. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It has four vertices. Triangle. A triangle has three sides. It has three vertices or corners. Circle. A circle has no vertex. It is a closed loop. It can be traced with a 1 rupee coin, carom coins, etc. Children, now let us know about some solid shapes. Solid shapes have three measurements: length, breadth, and height. So a solid shape is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shapes. Solids have faces, edges, and vertices. Some of the shapes of solids are: look at the shapes of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cuboid. A cuboid has 12 edges. The point where three edges meet is called a vertex. A cuboid has 8 vertices. A cuboid has 6 faces. In the given figure, 3 faces are visible and 3 are hidden. Count the faces of your book. It has 6 faces. 1 front face, 1 back face, 1 top face, 1 bottom face, and 2 side faces. Look at the shapes of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cube. The die with which you play is a cube. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. Children, we have seen all the objects shown here in our daily life. All these objects have the shape of a cylinder. A cylinder has no vertices. It has 2 curved edges and 3 faces. One face of a cylinder is a curved face. 2 faces, that is the top and bottom of a cylinder, are flat. Children, now take a look at the shapes of the objects shown here. Each one of these objects has the shape of a sphere. A sphere has one curved face. It has no vertex and no edge. Children, now look at these familiar objects. All these objects have the shape of a cone. A cone has one vertex and it has one curved edge. It has two faces, one curved face and one flat face. All solid figures have three different views: top view, front view and side view.
So children, you understood about the...
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Yes,
a minute.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you for today's class.